So just click again, please. So the point is, and again, thank you. So the point is we now, CDC even has acknowledged that it is in the air, that surfaces are unlikely. They haven't ruled out, they still are using the word droplets. Some of that is just they're holding on to the old definition, the 5 microns. We haven't quite gotten there. We published a paper in Science, a letter saying it should be shifted to 100 microns so that we're all using the same language. We're not quite there yet. But I think we're really close to sort of saying, okay, it's in the air. The problem is the CDC and WHO have said it, but they haven't said it. They haven't said it as strongly, in my view, as they should, because people are still confused. People are still doing what we call hygiene theater. Wiping surfaces makes you feel good, but I won't say it's a total waste of time. You should still make sure your surfaces are clean, but doing it at the frequency and the time that we've done it is not necessary, I would say. But we still want to keep clean surfaces, but we really need to be cleaning the air. Okay, next slide, please.